Hey guys, it's Nailed It Mama here with a Valentine's Day nail design for you. Be sure to stay to the end of the video as I've added an alternate color option for you as well. First, you want to start off with clean prep nails. You can see how I do mine on my Easy Nail Prep on Natural Nails tutorial on my YouTube channel. If I'm going to be doing a separate color like the pink versus the white in this one, I like to start off with my accent nail color just so when I'm doing the other colors I don't accidentally do that white a pink instead. Just makes it easier instead of having to go back and clearing it off and start all over again. You'll want to do multiple layers as you want it to be a solid color. One thing that I recommend, it's kind of hard to see when I'm fast forwarding the video like this, but is when you're doing the first layer, make sure it dries as close to completely as you can, so when you do the other layers, it sticks better to it. I noticed that when I'm trying to go quickly and I do a layer too soon before it's dry, I end up doing probably 3, maybe 4 layers sometimes just to make sure everything's a solid color underneath. And as you can see, I'm using my dotting tool to clean up the edges. Sometimes when I'm going a little too fast, I get the nail polish on the skin. And if you go in there with a dotting tool or something of that shape, you can scrape away the sides. As you can see here, I actually poked my nail and made a little indent as I was trying to clean it up. One of the things I do is, it's weird, but if you lick your finger and then touch the spot that you kind of messed up on, you could push it down and not smudge it or not leave a fingerprint mark on it. So makes it a little easier to clean it up. So I get back from mom duty, and what I ended up doing is I grabbed my top coat as I was leaving, and I did my nails off camera, which I accidentally missed a nail. As you can see, I tried to fix it when I got back, and it was just too messed up, so I had to remove the nail polish and kind of start all over again just for that one nail because the other one survived. But it shows the power of the nail polish top coat because all the other nails kind of survived my mommy duty. Okay, here's the fun design part. I actually had a bunch of stickers. As you can see, there are a bunch of heart stickers. It's a cute design actually if you don't remove the middle heart, but I just wanted a kind of a solid heart around the outer edge, and then I wanted to be able to fill in the middle, so I just kind of cut that extra piece off and removed it. I might save it for later and maybe use it with a different design, but the goal here was to just have one outer heart edge to kind of go off of. Once you have it down, it actually helps to move your hand in different directions. As you can see here, I turned my hand around to get a different view of it, and you can kind of adjust at that point to see if it needs to be centered more. I also recommend doing both stickers at the same time, so both of my fingers actually have the heart tape on there. That way when you're doing one color like the maroon here, you can do one finger and then quickly move to the other finger before the nail polish dries. It makes it a little difficult to use the dotting tool when the nail polish is kind of dried up on the plate. So make sure when you're putting the dots down, you want to overlap the dot and the sticker of the heart. This will help define the outer edge of the heart, so when you pull that sticker off, you'll get a nice clean crisp line around the outer edge and see that nice heart come through with all the different colors. When you're doing this, if you want to do less colors and just bigger dots to fill in the heart circle, that would look awesome as well. I just liked having the smaller dots and more colors. here we go. You want to take the heart off with some tweezers. You don't want to smudge any of the dots that you just created with the heart. And here's another view for you. Just pull that right up. You can actually see the line that is created with overlapping that dot with the sticker. And then next kind of comes cleanup. Just clean up those edges. This might actually be the longest part of my process for me, is doing the cleanup after the fact, but you gotta do what you gotta do. But once it is cleaned up, it looks pretty nice. Once cleanup is done, go ahead and get your top coat and seal in that heart that you just created. I'm using Sèche Vite as always. As you can see earlier on, it actually saved 9 out of 10 of my nails that I used it on, so it's my go-to. But here's my finished product, my hearts and my pink color. I wanted to also give you guys kind of a view of another option if you wanted to go with a darker pink. I kind of matched it up with one of the colors in my heart shape, so you can see if you use multiple colors, you can actually do different colors on your nails. But there you go. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments as well. And as always, thank you for watching.